Ricky!
What are you saying, Calvin?
You right, yeah?
Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm en route. I was going to say, can I borrow some meth?
Borrow some meth? So you can buy some? You've got cash with you. If I give you meth, that puts my car at a bit of a disadvantage.
I'm low on engine oil as well. I'm about to stop off at Evolve to get some oil.
Oil from Evolve, you want meth from Calvin, yeah? I'll hook you up, don't worry, that's fine, I'll hook you up, yeah?
Yes.
Bit of meth.
Thank
But
you.
you owe me for it.
Yeah, come on, man.
Alright, cheers.
Alright. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. You already heard the phone call with Calvin. We're doing a little rematch, just a little comparison to show the difference in performance now. Obviously before the car was running the TDI tuning box. Since then we've had hybrid turbos installed. You obviously see the trip. We drove all the way to Belgium. We had methanol injection. We had the Pure Stage 2 Plus turbos installed. We did the crank up fix. We've also had a full Armitrix Valvetronic exhaust system. Car is now running at least an extra 200 horsepower. I would say it's around the 700 to 720 mark. Pretty pissed about this rain right now, but yeah, as I said, we're outside Evolve Automotive. I just had engine oil light come up, so I've quickly stopped by to get some engine oil, and then we're gonna go meet Calvin and we're gonna head over to Germany and do this run. So yeah, guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in a sec. Man, light. You're right, yeah?
When we're racing.
Let's do it, man.
All good?
Yeah. What should I do? Should I leave it out here or?
Leave it there for a second. I'm just gonna get this in. Okay?
Yeah, cool. Yeah, leave my cherry on that. Straight into a ball. Just going off it round there, man. Look.
I love Ricky.
You saying you alright?
What's going on? You good?
Yeah, man, good. What are you doing? Fitting these turbos, yeah?
Turbo time, man.
Yeah, so it's going down. What are you saying, Imran?
I'm all good, Ricky. How are you?
Yes, wicked, bro, wicked. Man's back
Good to
from
see
Belgium.
you. Yeah,
You
all
back?
good.
Yeah.
I enjoyed the videos.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, covered them really well. Obviously,
Yeah,
Peter's a
lot
good
of-
guy as well. I know Peter is.
Yeah.
Like,
You've
humble
been
and-
out to Belgium or?
I haven't been. I met him at VMAX.
Okay.
Yeah, when he was running his white car.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's a cool guy, man.
So spoke to Hash.
Yes.
Not Hash, yeah?
Hash.
Hash,
H-A-S-H.
Okay.
Not Has.
He's saying he's putting a turbo in at the moment.
Yeah, so we're done full bolt-ons already on this car.
Yeah.
So we've done Wagner intercooler, Super Sprint downpipe section 1. Still waiting for the exhaust to come, that's not here yet. And we're fitting a turbo to the car.
Turbo system, is that the company?
That's the company, yeah.
Right.
They're based in Lithuania.
Okay.
So turbo systems turbo. And then we're basically getting it ready for VMAX, which is next Saturday.
Right.
So VMAX, we're taking this with hybrid turbo on pump fuel. The F80 M3 on hybrid turbo and pump fuel. And then the F90 stage 2 as well now.
Okay.
So the
Oh,
F90,
yeah, I see the video.
you
What's
need to go for a drive in that.
Yeah,
It's
definitely.
743 horsepower.
Jeez, man.
Yeah,
stay
it's
too
quick.
tuned.
Yeah. I'm going to develop my own aero.
Right.
So obviously this car at the moment is like OEM, that's OEM GTS lip, OEM GTS style bonnet by
Yeah.
Crest Technic, and we've got some other parts on the back. So he's just been scanning the F90 M5 and this car today, and so I'm going to design my own aero basically.
So
Something I've been wanting to do for ages, but with the Venturi, we're making so many intakes that the factories can't keep up with us on carbon supply. So I had to wait until we were at a good level where I can actually produce some more carbon.
So how is
I'm
it
at that
you
stage.
produce carbon then? Because I see a machine over there.
So yeah, so he's scanning it, so we can have a look at what he's doing. So he uses this machine to scan the areas that we want to make for,
Right.
and then we import that into a design program like SolidWorks. I already have a sketch in my head of what I want to do. Then we create that digitally.
Wow.
Then we 3D print it upstairs on our printers, and then we can test fit it, make sure it fits okay. I can do some high-speed testing, make sure that it doesn't like fly off or it's not causing any problems.
Wow.
And then essentially we use those designs to make molds, and then the carbon's made.
It runs on some NASA shit around here.
Yeah,
boy.
so
Man like Calvin.
I just heard your car for the first time. So you got
Loud.
that exhaust on it.
It's
It
shit,
is. I thought my car was loud, but this is like a different league, man.
So how you been, alright?
Yeah, I've been alright.
Yeah, still been banging the videos.
Yeah, still been on the videos. Plenty, just content, just flowing, man. Just keeping on it. Yeah.
So you wanted to run me again, right?
Well, it'd be rude not to, innit? You've got all this power now. We've got to.
What about all your power, mate?
You've got a little bit more power. So what I've done is I've reduced the peak power to 560, increased the mid-range power, so we've got more power the whole way through the rev range. We've got more boosts. We're running 2.2 bar of boost now rather than 2 bar. More ignition timing, so the power throughout the whole rev range is actually a lot better. It pulls a lot better, delivers power better. So I think, obviously your car's a different animal this time around, but if we was racing this, just doing the same race as before, I think it would be well, it'd be a massive difference. If that car is going to beat this car at any stage of its life, it's going to be now. So yeah, it's at its best it's ever been.
It's rained twice whilst I've been there as well.
It's been, yeah, the roads are a tiny bit damp, so you got that against you, I suppose. You got a lot more power, but like you say, you got to put the power down. So
you got any slide bottles at Octane?
Honestly, yeah, I've got a little bottle of Octane booster, innit?
One of them ones, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was gonna put it out on the slide on the
Sorry,
day, but
sorry,
look, all cards on the table, innit? You need some meth. I've got plenty of meth.
Where is it, man?
I need the meth. I need the meth. Give me my meth.
There's fucking Ribena in here.
Proper stuff, mate.
I bet you could have sabotaged me. I don't know.
Is it in there, yeah?
See?
What, do you want me to tell you the truth about it now? You're sorted, yeah?
I'm sorted, mate.
I wasn't going to tell you about it, but this is Will's little trick. Will reckons he's going to give me some extra BHP. 6 RON on top of my 99 Tesco fuel, yeah?
You've got 99 Tesco?
Yeah, so I should, with this on top, be running at 105. Is that right?
I would be very surprised if that stuff works, but I'm not saying it doesn't, but
I don't know.
if that bloody works, I will.
Well, listen, I need every chance I can get, don't I?
Is that it, yeah?
I don't know. Just got to guess half tank.
Come on, Cal, mate.
Right, I reckon it's that half a bottle. Oh, I think we could put a bit more in it. Yeah, give it a shot and see what happens. Should we hit the road?
Let's hit the road.
Do this road trip, yeah?
It's all weird on the other side of the road, isn't it?
It is, isn't it? Wow, your guy's fucking fast, man.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's definitely a big difference.
Unbelievable, isn't it? The difference. This car is at its limit, and 6 cylinders and 2 turbos. It's just a different league, isn't it?
Yeah, you got to remember that this is a very conservative setup from Pure Turbo. This isn't all out. Like, I've told him to make sure there's no issues with my car, so we're running less torque than the average customer. So the customer that went and got the same setup as me now would be running about 50 foot-pounds more extra torque, and
oh really?
They could be pushing a little tiny bit more power as well. So I just wanted to be super safe. Obviously I'm on YouTube, and I'm just a bit like paranoid, you know what I mean? This is a bit, it's not really me. I've never really gone this far with a car. I've only ever tuned,
Yeah,
but I know that this isn't the limit. This car can go to probably about 720 wheels, so we can probably take it to about 800, I think. Calvin, let's wrap this video up, man. It was nice knowing you, mate.
you enjoyed that, didn't you?
Yeah, well,
You loved it.
No, I was kind of expected, really.
Yeah, we did expect it.
Yeah.
I think like you get, I suppose you've got a 4-cylinder engine with 1 turbo and a 6-cylinder engine with 2 turbos. My car's at its limit, and your car's at the same limit, but it's just a different league of power, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it was a spanking, but you was there. Do you know what I mean? It's not. No, I'm not
Spanking. Oh, that's a bit harsh.
I'm not even taking a piss. Like,
Yeah,
as in,
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
it wasn't like you just, you know, you still pulling
Still
hard.
there,
I
the
still
Golf-
see you pulling hard, man.
Yeah. But it's unbelievable. Like, shout out to Pure Turbos, man. The difference between how your car was before
Yeah.
to how it is now is a joke, isn't it?
difference,
It
isn't
is night and day difference. And even like the way, I know you said it a lot in videos, the way it's putting power down.
Yeah, it's putting it down
It's
better,
putting
isn't
it
it?
down
Remember last
better.
time I was fully lighting it up, smoking, like
and the
white smoke
condition-
was coming out.
Yeah, the conditions are the same as well.
Yeah, they are. Yeah.
So
It's rained a few times today.
yeah, it's just
Obviously,
damp.
it's not wet. It's not
cold.
wet. It is fairly dry, but like you say, it's slight disadvantage.
I thought you just wouldn't go anywhere, but you put the power
No,
down.
but this is what I said. It still spins a bit, but it goes forward. It actually
Yeah.
goes forward. Whereas before, because of how the standard map is on the M4,
Yeah.
it's really torquey. It's all in a short band,
So
and
you
then it
just
falls
squat,
off.
didn't it? And
Yeah, it would
bloody-
just overwhelmingly spin. But now,
Yeah. Now
as you
it's-
see, it will spin, but it will still travel forward. If
But-
any of Calvin's people are watching, subscribe to LLF, man, because you know obviously this is the new king, isn't it?
in it.
You took the title. You held the crown for a while, man.
I held the
You held
crown.
it for a while.
I held it for a while, but
Yeah,
you got
new
it
kid
now.
on the block. Alright, Calvin, gonna end the video there. Thanks for coming out to Germany with me, man. I really do appreciate it, man.
That's right, man. It's been a long day, but just want to go home.
Worth it for the fans,
Chill.
man. He wanted to see the difference.
Do you know what? It's been one of them videos. It's just been, we've been dying to get it up. Loads of people have been asking us about it. It's just been long awaited.
How do you feel?
How do I feel?
Mm.
I suppose I should really feel gutted, shouldn't I? But I kind of expected it. So I'm quite happy. I'm happy with the Golf R. I just think it's time for me to maybe.
You spitting flames, man. Gonna end the video there. As always, if you did enjoy it, hit the thumbs up. Also, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And remember to check out Calvin's channel. He's got a YouTube channel called Calvin's Car Diary. Does a lot of car content. Loads and loads of videos on this little beast that we raced today. So yeah, check it out.
Yeah.
CCD, man. Hashtag takeover. Yeah, wicked guys. In a bit.